Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in to Nerd Gadget, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to look at the stainless steel watch band option for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Right after this. Let's jump right into it. But please do me a favor by hitting that subscribe, like, and also share this video, as it truly will help out my channel. Let's pop this open. Here are some steps on how to shorten the watch band by removing links with this included tool. Let's go ahead and remove this ceramic plastic from the watch band here. Now, last thing we need to do is just remove the original straps here. Push that down. That's one. Okay. It should be quite simple here. Snap this in. That's one. And just push it in. There you go. To release, you just push both of these together to open, and then closing, snap it right on. There you have it. Now for me, it looks like I need to remove one link. Now you're just going to grab the tool, counterclockwise twist it just to open this up. That way the metal band can rest in there. That should be good enough. When you line the tool up here, you want to make sure that it's facing in the direction of the arrow. That way the pin slides right on out. I'm going to choose this bottom one here. So I'm going to flip it over this way. Grab the tool so that way it's pushing the pin out. Flip this around so you can see it again. So you can see that the pin will be pushed out that way. And then let's see here, make sure I got the right one. The bottom one is this one here. That's the only one you're not going to worry about this one. It's this particular one here. That's what I would start off with. So that second one, and line it up with the pinhole. Start twisting. Start twisting away. Okay, it should be locked in place. So now I can twist, 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 twist. You can see the pin coming out. And that should be good enough. Reverse it by going counterclockwise again. Put the tool down. Then just pull this out. You're gonna need this again, so let's put that down there. Then you can pull that apart. You're gonna remove one more pin. Again, we're gonna go for this bottom one here. And then once you have it in there, you start twisting just to lock it in place. It should be good. Twist, twist, twist. Again, you see the pin there. Reverse it. Take the pin out. Now you won't need the second pin, so you can put that to the side completely. Remove this link, and then that should be it. Now if you need to remove another one, of course you do it again and again, for the size of your wrist. Make sure this is in the right direction. Slide that in. If you look closely, you're going to see that the pin looks a little different on one end than the other. This end is going to go in first, the narrow end, versus this more wider one, because you're going to put it back in reverse order. So let's turn this around, then find the hole and just place it in there, just like that. There it is. Pop right in. It should be good to go. So pretty much once you put it in reverse order, use this, just force push it in, and you should hear it snap in place just like you did there. Push it in place, and then push the other one in place. There you go. And it fits more comfortable, but look how nice this watch band blends with the Watch Ultra with this color. There's no gaps, as you can see there, between the watch band and the Watch Ultra. Nice and seamless. Now the SPGuard stainless steel watch band is also available in stainless steel if you prefer that color. Now if you're interested in the SPGuard stainless steel watch band for the Watch Ultra, please use the link in the description section of my video. But this completes my review for the SPGuard stainless steel watch band for the Watch Ultra.